Hello everyone. Today's activity is tunnel making, which can be done outdoor or indoor. It will improve your child's gross motor skills. Things required for this activity are two hula hoop and small piece of cloth too big enough to cover the two hula loop for a tunnel and a tape and glue gun. If you are doing this activity outdoor, then you have to dig a little trench in your garden, insert the hula loop and cover it with some soil to give it a support. Repeat the same procedure for second one by leaving some space between both of them. Cover both the hula hoop from top with a piece of cloth and attach them with the help of tape, or you can make a knot, and perform the activity with your child to crawl through the tunnel. But if you're doing this activity indoor due to the current weather situation, then you have to attach both the hula loop with the help of glue gun or tape on the floor, and you can provide any support like we will be using thermocol. Then cover the top of both hula loop with a piece of light weighted cloth, attach to it with the help of tape or make a knot on hula loop. Now ask your child to crawl through this tunnel, and he can play hide and seek, tunnel house, or by rolling balls through it. So let's make the tunnel, then I will show you the final result. Our hula loop tunnel is ready. As we have arranged it indoor, so you can see we have used thermocol to give an extra support. Now we will ask Azan to crawl through the tunnel and take his toys as well. Come on, Azan.
Okay, I coming.
No, inside the tunnel.
Inside the tunnel. I go inside.
Okay, you can go. Okay, wow. Come again. Hello. Come again. Take your toys as well. Whoa. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Okay.